right, as we got Cola set up for watching some Peppa Pig, let's go outside because I got some exciting news to show y'all. Matter of fact, I got some real exciting news to fucking tell y'all, yo. Check this shit out. We got a very legendary situation in the mix. Now, what? Oh, shit. I'm an idiot. Well, hold on. Let me reset my height because we can still be height. Let's just rewind it all the way back to we was doing this morning, and then I'm gonna bring you back into the hype, all right? Alright, so here we are, Daly City. We're pulling up to the bike right now. I'll just get a little look at it as we pull up. There it goes. Right there on the other side of that truck. Yeah. That's the vibe. Oh shit. Fucking Frisco. What's up, bud? How you doing? Good, good. Alright, so this is it, So it just has the cracked case cover and it's leaking. Okay. And everything else is pretty solid. When's the last time you rode it? Okay. All right.
I think it's loose, so
okay.
To hit it sometimes, like.
Oh, for the battery?
Yeah.
Okay. Rear brake working or the master's dead? Rear brake doesn't work?
No, it doesn't.
Okay. So early model 05.
Just that,
But everything is good in the DMV though.
yeah, everything's good. There's no tickets, there's no.
Yeah, and you said it was October 2019. Back fees from that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You got a Bank of America nearby, or are you cool with like Cash App or something?
I think like Cash App.
Okay, Cash App or cash?
Cash.
I'll be right back. All right, so that right there is our new bike build. And what I'm gonna do with that bike is something a little bit different. I'm not going to build it for myself. No, no, no. I am the Yamaha god, and y'all see that. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna build the bike and give it to one of you. Surprise! That there is the new bike build and giveaway. So I'm not announcing the merchandise and things yet, but it will be merchandise and or tickets that's gonna go into you getting a spot to win that bike. Saw all the comments and people have been hitting me up on IG and they're like, dude, you're making me really want to be able to ride. And I feel like I can only give it to one of you, so this will be a good opportunity for me to share a good bike with you for the spring to come up. So he does have the paperwork. He gave me whatever story as the fact that he doesn't have the paperwork, but that's not a huge deal. Bill of sale, I can go into the DMV. It's got back registration from October. It's not too bad. Should be about $300-400 to register, but it looks like it's a pretty solid setup, except for the fact that I know it's low on oil because that case is cracked. He started the shit up and instantly started revving the hell out of it. Not a huge deal. I'm going to go through the whole bike, replace all the case covers, gaskets, everything that's needed. That bike shows promise, so that looks like it's going to be a good base. A 636 for the streets. It's a great starter bike, an absolutely great starter bike. So let's just run to the bank real quick. I'm going to get this money and then we'll head back over there. Oh, that van is tight as shit. Look at that. Morning. Good. Thank you. No, thank you. All right, appreciate it. Okay. All right, so of course I'm okay with his price, or else I wouldn't have come out here, all the way out here. But of course, you just have to do it. You gotta ask him if that's the lowest they're willing to go. So I'm not gonna be too much of a haggler with him, but I wouldn't be pleased with myself if I didn't at least say, hey, Sunday service on their ass. And other than the tires, I said, and other than the tires, it hasn't given you much problems.
No.
All right. Oh yeah, this tire's ready to go.
Yep.
Okay. All right, let me grab. You at least just have to ask. Just write me up like a bill of sale. Oh, you got one? Cool.
Yeah. Can you write for me?
Yeah, I got you.
All right. Good.
Okay. Appreciate you, man. Thank you. Oh, the keys?
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
All right. Thank you so much.
All right, have a good one. It's a lot of work, but it's okay. All right, so check this shit out. We went and picked up something for you, not for me, for you. So what I want to do on this channel is I want to give away a vehicle, right? I want to give away something and get you guys into this channel. Just see what I do. I want to start being more here for the channel, here for the content, here for the experiences of things. Like I said, we're all about experiences here, and I want you to experience a couple of things. Now, certain people in my comments and on my IG and certain shit like that on my social medias are saying, damn, you're making riding look really fun. And I want to ride. Like, I want to experience riding. Well, guess what I did for you? What is that? Now, we know I'm 1/4 of the ride squad. I'm the Yamaha god. But this is a Cowie. This is an actual street legend. This is a 636, a 2005 636. I am out here filming this portion way later after I've got it off the trailer and already offloaded it. It does run. It's got a few little quirks, and I will show you a couple of those little quirks. Looks like he's had some real janky rigged up shit. Let's see if it fires up. Hey, look at that. Lights work? Yep, all the lights work. Cool. Didn't really plan on working on the hoe. But hey, we got down to the bottom of something. Yeah, he's got shit rigged up. These right here. Obviously, it's not grounded tightly, because see how this shit is just sliding in and out. Same with the power. So I'm gonna run through all of that bullshit. So essentially, we've got a project on our hands. We're gonna get down to the bottom of it. We're gonna get this whole thing cleaned up. This is gonna be a very, very road ready bike by the time one of y'all get to it. And I'm for sure finna ride it just to experience it, because like I said, I never experienced it before. See the drip? Look at this case cover that he tried to JB weld. He was really just trying to ride, blood. This shit go all the way back to the casing of the motor. That's wild. So, I mean, small little things like that is what we're gonna address. We're gonna get this thing back in pristine order. There are so many zip ties on this. There is, whoo, it's rough, boy. But I feel like we're up to it. We're up to the task. We're gonna get this shit taken care of. Looks like it's got a sprocket on it already. I mean, but for the most part, everything is 100% in order, and this is a running, riding bike. Should we do a burnout? Should we do a burnout? I mean, the bike is lowered. It's like a mini bike right now. Let's see if it can do a burnout. Ooh, it's scientific reasons that we're gonna do this, because we're gonna see what condition the clutch is in, yo. Don't trip. We got this. See? For scientific reasons, man. We had to see if the clutch was slipping. It is. We know it is. So, yeah, we got a project, y'all. Given the bike's condition, I feel like there's going to be a lot of things that we're going to run into, but giving myself that time frame till about April or May, it is January right now, and I'm going to start copping shit like right now. So that's going to get completed, and I want to breeze through, but if not, I am going to call in a couple of my friends to try to help me with this bike so that we can get this thing knocked out 100% on time. Probably when I announce the merchandise and the tickets for this bike, that's when I'm going to give you a set date that I want to have it completed by. So I got my fingers crossed that this is all going to work very well and go very smoothly, and I can give one of you guys a street icon. You guys are going to have options to build this bike. So I'm going to give you 3 options. All 3 of these build versions are going to be streetable. So mirrors, lights, blinkers, right? That's what's needed. All the rest of the stuff can be changed, but mirrors, lights, and blinkers, and we're gonna keep the fairings on it. Street original, 100% original, clean. I mean, stock exhaust and everything, like that type of street. Or we're going to do street stunt, which clip-ons, it's going to be sprocketed and maybe have a race cage on it to protect the fairings instead of just sliders, clip-ons, short levers, just that general type of shit, right? And then we're gonna do street track. You have the opportunity we're gonna get the headlight film so that you don't have to tape your headlights up, because it's already gonna be a protective film on it. It's gonna be covered. It's gonna be running nothing but pure water weather in it. Remove everything that's not needed, rear pegs, totally get the bike prepped and ready for track use and to ride around. So we've got 3 opportunities. I need you guys to drop in the comments right now what you want to see. We're going to do 100% original street, just refurbish the bike. We're going to do street stunt, or we're going to do street track. So those 3 options, I need you to drop it in the comments. Let me know how you want to see this bike being built, because one of you, this is your bike. I haven't gotten to experience it, and I will ride it just to certify that it's okay and it's good to go. But it is going to be your bike. So I need you to tell me how you want me to build your bike. So there's going to be a few options for you to get entry into this, and I will announce that later. I'm going to confirm if we're going to do this on the Patreon, if we're going to do this just straight off of the YouTube. We're going to figure it out. But you guys are going to get this bike. This is like the sickest bike that everybody's flocked to when it went to the stunt scene. And this is a whole fucking legend, right? The little 36 cc's gave you a little bit more torque, a little bit lower power range to use to pop up wheelies. I never had a big issue with these bikes. I always ran them on my R6. I kind of think the R6s are faster, but there's a good appeal to this bike that people loved. Right? Like, I'm a heavy dude, and I've always outran these on R6s. I don't know why, but we're gonna find out why, because we're gonna put this together, we're gonna get it cracking, and we're gonna ride. So anyway, long story short, man, we're gonna get this thing back together. We're gonna get it to its peak pinnacle of performance, the way that the Ninja Turtles would have loved it, and the way it kind of rolled off the showroom floor from a Kawasaki dealership back in 2004. I'm actually really glad I haggled dude on the price. I was okay with the price off top, but when I came and saw it, I'm like, it's kind of cool how it was advertised, but I just had to shoot a lower price at him and see if he'd take it. He took it, and it's all good. I actually got it for the same price as I got my FZR. So, 1992 legend, 2005 legend. Try to make this thing be really cool and meet the deadline. I'm gonna announce the deadline as I announce how to win this bike. The deadline I'm thinking is gonna be around April or May so that you guys can get it, whoever wins it, and you can get it in very good riding season so that you can get used to the bike and enjoy it, be comfortable on it by the time summer hits, and by the time summer hits you can go get bitches and go to the club and kickstand jockey if that's what you want to do. Or you could be out there riding, hitting canyons, back roads, stunting, whatever the hell you feel like you want to do with the bike. But I want you to be good and comfortable on it by the time summer comes. So that's going to be it for this video. Y'all see the vibes. Y'all know the vibes. Matter of fact, I think I closed it out on the last video. So roll into that. Like I said, I don't have no experience with this, but the experience that I have gained and the knowledge that I've gotten is going to help me proceed with this bike. So, you know, it's a big task. It's a tall task, but we got that shit, son. So we out.
Everything that